My favorite thing about First LEGO League is the teamwork.
Probably being with my friends.
And we get to make it real. That's my favorite part, that we get to play with Legos and build it real.
First LEGO League is one of 3 engaging FIRST programs. Participants gain real-world problem-solving experiences through a guided global robotics program, helping today's students and teachers build a better future together.
First LEGO League introduces STEM to inspire young people to experiment and grow their critical thinking, coding, and design skills through hands-on STEM learning and robotics.
First LEGO League is fun. Students can't wait for this part of the day. They're teaching inclusion, teamwork, how to be creative and think outside the box.
Children can join at any division based on their age or grade level. In First LEGO League Explore, students focus on the fundamentals of engineering.
Students explore a real-world scientific concept, build a model, and code it to make it move using LEGO education technology.
They are able to do a lot of learning through play. All of a sudden, the students will have those aha moments.
So I was like, oh, I know how they build the robots now. When it works, I'm very happy because we worked really hard.
It goes into the plants and it soaks down into the ground and it goes through these.
We get to share ideas and build off of other people's ideas.
It's just like really cool and like so cute to see them being all excited and happy. I feel like when you're young and you find that, it like follows you along as you grow, and so that keeps you motivated to do things.
Friendly competition is at the heart of First LEGO League Challenge. As teams of students ages 9 to 16 engage in research, problem solving, coding, and engineering.
Our students are creating something new every single year, and they're learning about all of these things that you would never see in a traditional classroom or curriculum.
First LEGO League Challenge has 3 components: the core values, the robot game, and the innovation project, where you're able to solve a real-world problem.
First LEGO League is about more than robots. It's about solving problems that are bigger than they've ever imagined, thinking outside the box, and being excited to be part of a team.
I am first.
Yo soy first.
First is my family.
First is the best thing you could be.
First is discovery,
Innovation.
impact,
Inclusion.
teamwork, fun.